Fiduciary License AZ. Question 1. Within how many days is a certificate holder required to notify division staff of a felony conviction? 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, 30 days. A certificate holder shall notify division staff within 10 days of a misdemeanor or felony conviction. Question 2. A fiduciary was recently appointed as the guardian for a 10-year-old child who has been diagnosed as autistic. The child shows no ability to express his thoughts and displays little emotion most of the time. What standard should a fiduciary use in making decisions for the client? Substituted judgment, best interests, reasonable prudence, objective standard. Best interests. Question 3. An adult daughter has been residing with her father for the past 11 months. A fiduciary was appointed and subsequently discovered the daughter used her father's funds to purchase a new vehicle titled solely in her name. What is the fiduciary's responsibility in this case? Seek a restraining order against the daughter to prevent her from visiting her father. File a petition with the Attorney General and request prosecution of the daughter. Have the daughter declared exempt from inheritance under her father's will. Seek recovery and, if necessary, file an action in Superior Court. Seek recovery and, if necessary, file an action in Superior Court. Question 4. During the liquidation of assets, a personal representative places a classified ad in a local newspaper to sell the jewelry of a decedent. The personal representative's daughter-in-law responds to the ad with the intent to purchase the jewelry. How should the fiduciary handle this situation? Decline to sell the jewelry to the daughter-in-law under any circumstances. Suggest the daughter-in-law have a friend purchase the jewelry for her. Wait to see if other interested buyers come forward and, if not, sell the jewelry to the daughter-in-law. Have the jewelry appraised by an independent appraiser and sell the jewelry to the daughter-in-law for the appraised value. Decline to sell the jewelry to the daughter-in-law under any circumstances. Question 5. When must you notify division staff of a misdemeanor or felony conviction? Within 5 days, within 10 days, within 20 days, within 30 days. A certificate holder shall notify division staff within 10 days of a misdemeanor or felony conviction. Question 6. What is the required timeframe for a change of name or address notification? 10 days, 15 days, 30 days, 60 days. A certificate holder shall notify division staff of any change in name or business, directory, mailing or home address, telephone number or email address within 30 days of any change. Question 7. Which term matches the definition, a person who is appointed by a court to manage the estate of a protected person? Guardian, conservator, executor, beneficiary. Conservator. Question 8. Who is the department director? A federally appointed judge. An elected official who oversees all fiduciaries. Individual appointed by the Governor of Arizona to administer the Arizona Department of Veterans Services. The head of the Superior Court. Individual appointed by the Governor of Arizona as provided in ARS Section 41 to 604, to administer the Arizona Department of Veterans Services. Question 9. What is the definition of a devise, noun? A written document detailing healthcare wishes. A testamentary disposition of real or personal property. The legal process of verifying a will. A trust set up for a minor. A testamentary disposition of real or personal property and, when used as a verb, means to dispose of real or personal property by will. Question 10. What is a devisee? The person executing a will. A person designated in a will to receive a devise. A court-appointed representative. A witness to the signing of a will. A person designated in a will to receive a devise. Question 11. Which of the following defines a fiduciary? A family member managing affairs for free. A person who for a fee serves as a court-appointed guardian or conservator for one or more persons who are unrelated to the fiduciary. A state employee managing veteran benefits. A lawyer providing legal counsel. A person who for a fee serves as a court-appointed guardian or conservator for one or more persons who are unrelated to the fiduciary.